What's up guys? It's Justin here, and today I'm super pumped to share some essential car maintenance tips that will save you a ton of money in the long run. Trust me, keeping up with these simple checks and tasks can make a world of difference in the life of your car. We're talking about everything from basic fluid changes to inspecting crucial components. Whether you're a daily driver or just take your car out on weekends, these tips are for you. We'll go through each one step by step, and I'll give you all the info you need to confidently tackle these tasks yourself. No need to be intimidated. I've got you covered. So, buckle up, grab your tools, and let's dive right in to keep your car running smooth and happy for years to come. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the most basic, yet crucial, car maintenance task: oil changes. Your engine is the heart of your car, and oil is its lifeblood. Regular oil changes, like every 3,000 miles or as recommended in your owner's manual, help to lubricate all those moving parts, reduce friction, and prevent excessive wear and tear. Now, while you're at it, don't forget to check your other fluids too. This includes your coolant, which keeps your engine from overheating, brake fluid, which is essential for, you guessed it, braking, and of course your transmission fluid, which keeps your gears shifting smoothly. Trust me, checking these fluids regularly can prevent some major headaches down the road. And don't forget to refer to your owner's manual for the recommended fluid types and intervals for your specific car. Next up, let's talk about those trusty tires that keep you rolling. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and even tire longevity. Grab yourself a reliable tire pressure gauge and check your tire pressure at least once a month, or even better, every time you fill up your gas tank. You'll find the recommended tire pressure for your car on a sticker, usually located on the driver's side door jamb. Now, while you're checking the pressure, take a close look at your tires for any signs of wear and tear, like cracks, bulges, or uneven tread wear. And don't forget about tire rotation. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles helps ensure even wear across all 4 tires, extending their lifespan. Rotating tires is a pretty simple DIY, but if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, any reputable tire shop can do it for you. Now, let's move on to the electrical system, which can be a bit intimidating for some, but don't worry, I'll break it down. Your car battery is the heart of your electrical system, so it's essential to keep it happy. Over time, battery terminals can build up corrosion, which can prevent your car from starting. A simple solution is to clean those terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water. Just disconnect the terminals, clean them up, and reconnect. While you're at it, check all your lights, including headlights, tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals, to make sure they're working properly. Safety first. And if a bulb is burnt out, replacing it is usually a quick and easy fix. Chapter 4. Let's talk about brakes, because having a properly functioning brake system is absolutely crucial for your safety and the safety of others on the road. Your brakes are a complex system of components, but one of the most important things you can do is to inspect your brake pads regularly. Brake pads wear down over time due to friction, so it's important to check their thickness and look for any signs of damage. You can usually get a good look at your brake pads through the spaces between the spokes of your wheels. If you notice your brake pads are getting thin, or if you hear any squeaking or grinding noises when you apply the brakes, it's time to get them replaced. And remember, it's always best to have your brakes inspected by a qualified mechanic to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. Now, let's move on to your air filter, which might seem like a small and insignificant part, but it plays a vital role in your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Your air filter's job is to prevent dirt, dust, and other debris from entering your engine's combustion chamber. Over time, the air filter can get clogged, restricting airflow to the engine and potentially reducing fuel efficiency and performance. The good news is that replacing your air filter is a super easy DIY task that takes just a few minutes. Simply locate your air filter housing, usually secured with clips or screws, open it up, remove the old filter, and drop in a new one. Make sure you get the correct air filter for your car model, and you'll be good to go. Good visibility is crucial for safe driving, especially during inclement weather, which is why maintaining your wiper blades is so important. Wiper blades wear down over time due to exposure to the elements, leading to streaks, smears, and reduced visibility. Replacing your wiper blades is a quick and inexpensive fix that can make a world of difference when driving in the rain or snow. To replace them, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, locate the release tab on the wiper blade assembly, and slide the old blade off. Line up the new blade with the wiper arm, slide it into place until you hear it click, and you're all set. Finally, let's talk about keeping your car looking its best with regular washing and waxing. Washing your car regularly not only keeps it shiny and clean, but also helps protect the paint from dirt, grime, bird droppings, and other contaminants that can damage the clear coat over time. Waxing your car provides an extra layer of protection against the elements, UV rays, and minor scratches, keeping your paint looking newer for longer. Now, I know washing and waxing your car can be a bit of a chore, but trust me, it's worth it to keep your car looking its best. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your car and show it some love. So there you have it, guys. 7 essential car maintenance tips that are super easy to do and will save you a ton of money in the long run. Remember, you don't have to be a mechanic to keep your car in tip-top shape. Just a little bit of effort goes a long way. If you're not sure about something, don't hesitate to consult your owner's manual or seek help from a trusted mechanic. The most important thing is to be proactive and stay on top of your car's maintenance needs. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome car tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one. Pause 3s. Now that you've got the basics down, let's dive into some advanced car maintenance tips that can take your car care game to the next level. These are not just about keeping your car running smoothly, but also about enhancing its performance and longevity. Pause 2s. Tip number 1. Regularly check and replace your spark plugs. Worn-out spark plugs can reduce your car's efficiency and lead to engine misfires. Make sure to inspect them every 30,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Pause 2s. Next, let's talk about your car's timing belt. This crucial component keeps your engine's valves and pistons in sync. A broken timing belt can cause severe engine damage, so it's essential to replace it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Pause 2s. Another key tip is to keep an eye on your car's suspension system. Worn-out shocks and struts can affect your car's handling and ride comfort. Inspect them regularly for signs of wear and tear, and replace them if necessary. Pause 2s. Lastly, don't forget to flush your car's cooling system. Over time, coolant can become contaminated and lose its effectiveness. Flushing the system and replacing the coolant every 2 years can prevent overheating and extend the life of your engine. Pause 2s. There you have it. Advanced car maintenance tips to keep your vehicle in peak condition. Remember, taking care of your car is an ongoing process, and the more you invest in its maintenance, the longer it will serve you reliably. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car care advice.